Here we are, day 5 of Kwanzaa, and we're focusing on that 5th principle today, which is Nia. Right? Nia, purpose. I have a niece named Nia. That's what it means, purpose, right? It's the goal, the purpose is the goal of working together to build community. And if you notice, one of the common threads through all of the principles of Kwanzaa, which is really throughout our lineage period, is the building of community and the furtherance of our culture. That's what we should be focusing on. Now we hear this all the time. I'm doing it for the culture, and this is the culture, right? Now here's the problem that I have with that, is that what we call culture is not necessarily culture. I mean, it's our expression, it's what we're building, it's what we're doing but we're doing it or creating the culture from not the best place in us, or not the best parts of us. And that's the issue. Let me see if I can make that a little bit more plain. We created soul food culture, right? But we created that because we took whatever the scraps was. That just shows you the beauty and the power, primarily of that black woman, to take the scraps, the things that were thrown out, the guts of pigs, and turn it into delicatessens, things that we cherish to this very day. We created a soul food culture out of the scraps. Imagine what we would create out of the best of things. And so my challenge to us as we move forward to build culture is, can we build the culture out of the best of us, out of the highest knowledge, the best knowledge, the things that we can accumulate that are the best of us. And let's create culture out of that, not out of the worst of us, not out of the scraps, not out of the trash. We have that opportunity today to do that. That's our purpose, right? That's Nia. That's the 5th principle of Kwanzaa. And so somewhere on this page, there's a button, there's a link to go to take a look at the Masters of Business. Or if there's not a button or a link, just go to www.themastersofbusinessnetworkandmastermind.com. Yes, spell it out. www.themastersofbusinessnetworkandmastermind.com, and see what it is that we have to offer, and see if we can. That's my goal, right? To build a community, to work together with my brothers and sisters all over the country, all over the world, to see if we could really turn this thing around, to create a new culture, a new reality for us first, but then for others. But us first. Us first. So this is your brother, and I'll see you tomorrow. Nia, purpose. Take care.